Well, more help for LA County small business owners and also residents living in areas known as food deserts.
One, two, three.
And that was the ribbon cutting at Lupita's Market in Cypress Park. The small store received several large capacity energy efficient refrigerators, and they were free. It's all part of a county program to promote healthy food options in low income communities. Some of those areas don't have access to large grocery stores.
We know that this is where the higher number of diabetes, obesity, asthma, cancers, high blood pressure. The best thing we can do is to offer food that is healthy, nutritious, that'll lower all those healthcare ailments.
Now, the owner of Lupita's store says her power bill has been cut in half since the refrigerators were installed. The program plans to send up to 80 of these refrigerators to small businesses in the county.